welcome back to another video. You're watching That Car Guy. My name is Siddharth Nair, and today I'm going to show you the Project Innova. If you have seen my earlier video where I gave you an update on what work is going on with the Innova, well, she's finally back home, and this video I'm going to reveal the color and a little bit of modification work what I've done to the car. So it's going to be really special. We're going to head down to the car right now, and I'm going to share this experience with you guys. Do let me know what you think of the color and the slight modifications that I've made to the car. So without further ado, let's get going. The Project Innova. Well, now you've seen the color. This is a dark emerald green, the same color code as some of the Rolls Royces. Well, you can get it basically on the Rolls Royce Cullinan and some of the Ghosts. So this is what I chose for the color. And what do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment section below. And we got 17-inch NK wheels. They look absolutely amazing in this silver finish. And those are the major big changes, although what has gone on over here is a total Type 2 conversion. The car was a Type 1, the 2006 model. Now this has been updated to the Type 2. Now basically this piece over here, this used to be chrome. Now this is painted to match the body color. Now that looks really striking. And I have left a bit of chrome all over here. Like these whiskers over here are in full chrome. The emblem is in chrome. The side mirror is in chrome. I didn't want to do a chrome delete on this car. In no way, because I think chrome accents this color very beautifully. So we got all new headlights, new fog lights. Every light element on this car is brand new. So I think that was much needed. Even the piece over here, the wiper piece over here, this has all been painted matte black just to give the car a fresh new look. Over to the side we have these 17-inch NK wheels. Now this has been wrapped in 245 17-inch tires. These tires were borrowed from my previous Honda Accord build, and so these new wheels are all new. This was black when I got them. I got them painted in this silver metallic finish. Really looks OEM, really looks nice. I deleted the center caps, so it gives it a more motorsport feel. And the brake calipers have been painted gloss black, you know, just to tie down the whole black and green look. From there, the side is basically untouched. Although I got rid of these ugly door moldings, which were really horrible, and there was this ugly piece of chrome over here which I deleted. I left the door handles in this chrome because again, chrome with this dark green shade is just absolutely amazing. The paint shade is almost black with a hint of green. In the sun it really pops out, but today we have an overcast day, so it is a bit cloudy and the color is not coming through too on camera. So this is the best I can do to represent the color right now. It is this dark, very rich green. In the shade it looks almost like black, but you can see here, it is kind of a very deep green. Now to the back. The back is where the Type 2 conversion included this bumper, and I really like this Type 4 kind of a boot ornament, although this came in chrome, and this is a little bit too much chrome for me. So what I got done is I painted this in gloss black, left the reflectors over here in its natural element red. So this green, black and red is really striking, and I got a SpeedX number plate just to tie down the whole look. And over here we have the stock Gen 1 Type 1 type taillights, which will be replaced soon for LED types, the ones where the LED bars go down there. That's going to be really good. The spoiler, again, this came with the car. This was part of the Type 1 kit. It was not a kit, basically. It came from factory with the spoiler, or was it an option? I'm not very sure. Nothing else has much changed in this car. I really like the Type 2 bumpers with these small reflectors down over here. The exhaust pipe, well, it's going to need some modification because right now I'm not liking the look very much. But overall the back really looks nice with the Type 4 ornament painted in gloss black. This is truly a unique looking Innova. In my eyes, this is one of the best looking Innovas. Because a lot of people are doing the Type 4 conversions, and I'm not a big fan of that gaping mouth of the Type 4. It looks, honestly, it looks ugly. And for me, the Type 2 is the prettiest generation of the Innova. And I know if you guys agree with me, do write in the comment section. And let me know, guys, what did you think about the color, the wheels? There's a lot more things to come. Like the interior is all bone stock. I'm going to get that changed pretty soon. I would really like to know your feedback on this project so far. The color, the wheels. What else can I do to this car? Please leave your comments in the comment section. Do let me know. And I hope you guys are enjoying this, because I am in love with this shade and this car. There is just one more little small detail which I had put into this car. Ta-da! So guys, this is the small detail which I was telling you about. Now this is a Porsche OEM acid green color which I have coated the inside of the engine bay. It is very striking. You don't see it much, but against this dark green, this is like a playful side of the car. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please write in the comment section what do you think. And do subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends, and follow me for more crazy content like this. And this is not the end of the Innova build. We're going to do seats, an audio install, where basically I showed you in the first video that we're going to do a small little Android based touchscreen system over here. So all of those good videos are coming out pretty soon, so keep your eyeballs on this page. So guys, we'll catch you pretty soon with another video. Till then, goodbye and God bless.